Hi there. Today, I will share ways on how to avoid fireworks-related injuries. Are you aware of the things you should do to be safe when using firecrackers? Are probably not. Well, this is the to-do list in avoiding fireworks casualties. First, buy only with those legitimate stores to ensure that the purchased fireworks are good. Secondly, keep it away from children because they are the most vulnerable victim with the most number of cases recorded in fireworks. Third, store your fireworks away from combustible materials to prevent unexpected fire incidents that may happen. Fourth, wear your safety gear such as mask and other protective gear to avoid contact for security purposes. Lastly, stay indoors. Remember, this is the safest way to avoid firework casualties. Upon knowing the to-do list, you should also know where and what information you'll be needing. But in the end, it is more advised not to use firecrackers anymore to surely avoid accidents. And that's all. Thank you.